So, hello everybody. I'm Birgit. I'm nutritionist working in Clinic Buchinger Wilhelmi. And today I welcome you to my cooking class. I'm almost alone. Here is only Lisa with me, our marketing director. Thank you, Lisa, for all these videos. I think you're doing a great job. And these videos you can see on YouTube. Today I'm doing a cookie recipe. Now you're asking me, why is she doing a cookie recipe? And so many friends are coming now and asking me, do you have something healthier? Because we're eating so much sugar, we have anxieties, we're sitting alone at home, we're bored. And here is my answer for you. I do now for you the curcuma recipe, Curcuma-Chocolate cookies. And therefore I have here some whisk egg. It's 2 eggs actually. You whisk them. I prepared it already before. And then you add the sugar. It's either brown sugar, or if you're more the keto person, you have the xylitol, the erythritol, these kind of sugars. Also, if you have diabetes, prefer those sugars because they don't increase your sugar. So you mix that properly. And then there are 2 nut butters. I prefer a mixture of tahini and almond because I think it is the rough taste from the tahini and the smooth one, the sweet one from the almonds. But if you have an intolerance to almonds, then take hazelnuts or peanut butter if you prefer that. And I add this now. You will find the recipe with all the measurements. You don't have to remember that now. It's 2 times 130 grams. And again, mix it. So it's a recipe without any flour. And now the rest of the ingredients. So I have here the cacao powder. It's 100% cacao. And to have something a bit crunchy, crispy, it's cacao nibs. It's natural chocolate, 100% cacao. And I like always to have the sweetness and the composition of the sour. And here are some barberries. They're very healthy. They're doing a cleansing effect of your liver. So use them. Also, they have a lot of vitamin C, a lot of phytochemicals. And here is some lemon zest from 1 lemon. And now finally there is the turmeric. Now you think, oh my goodness, she's doing crazy because I'm adding some pepper. But you might all know that the positive effect of the turmeric is increasing if you add some pepper. All right. And now you mix that with a little bit of baking powder or baking soda. And that's it. Less than 10 ingredients. If you like to do a very good performance, you can also add some of the essential oils of lemon. That increases the taste. It makes it very yummy. Around 10 drops is largely enough. Good. And you see the result. And it doesn't take ages. Good. So this is how it should look like. And now I will grease the baking tray with some coconut fat. Here is the coconut fat. I take a brush to grease it so they don't stick. Meanwhile, please preheat the oven to 170 degrees. And what is very helpful and also very healthy for your skin is a little bit of coconut fat on your hands. Makes it easier to form the little cookies. And if you can, take about 20 to 30 grams each for each cookie and form the little cookies. That's really not very difficult. If you never did bake again before, then take the challenge. These are challenging times, so take the challenge and prepare some. And if you think, oh my goodness, this is too much for me alone, then if they are baked, you can take them and give it to your grocery store. I think they will have fun because they're doing a very good job at the moment. And this is something very personal you can give. And this is what we need in these times. All right, done. Okay, so this goes now in the oven. And ta-da! They're already done. So you just good. I hope you enjoyed it. I bring it now to my colleagues. I guess they need a little bit of love. Everything, I hope you enjoyed it. All the best for you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.